In this video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your work for beginners using Office 365. So with this, we will use the Office 365 tool of Microsoft Planner. You can find it by going to planner.cloud.microsoft, and from in there, you just need to prompt in here to sign in. Do take note that you need to have an account that's under an organization with a paid subscription, or you can also be under an organization with the actual monthly payment with this or an individual account with plan. So proceed to click on this sign in into your account by entering your email, phone, or Skype and click on next. Now here is my actual Microsoft Planner. So in this case, we just need to create a new plan for your actual goal within organized buckets. So click on this new plan option. Just right here what kind of board you want to use. So for example, you're a beginner, so you can actually choose with the simple plan option right there. So let's click on this right here. Just right here, the actual option, we have basic types right here with simple plan of backlogs, up next, in progress, and likes. With this, you can organize or plan any large or small thing. Click on this, use this template, then name it your plan. So for example, let's input right here, everyday life. Now click onto this create option right here. This will create your plan. From in there, you can see this. So we have the backlogs up next, and you can just access it to your liking and then add some tasks. You can group it by buckets and in here edit some checklists that you have available and edit however you want it to be. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.